Hello guys, in this series I'm sharing my experience of making $1 million on YouTube. I hope my journey can inspire you and we can all learn from my mistakes. Today is day 15 and we are at 0.016%. This is our total revenue. As you can see, it's growing linearly for now, but we are hoping for an exponential growth. And let's see what happened on day 15. So our expenditures just grew to $33.8 because we invested in some crypto based on one of our comments, but you will see that in the next section. So we have this Ripple cryptocurrency, and obviously we just bought it, so it generated $0 today. And our AdSense revenue is at $164.1. That makes our total profits $30.3. And our investments, as I mentioned, is this microphone that we invested in a few days ago, and today we invested in Ripple cryptocurrency $72, which means 100 ripples. And the top comment of the day was from Isaac Susan, and he or she commented that I want to invest in crypto, which is pretty vague, but we guessed that it means that they are suggesting to us to invest in crypto, because in the top comment box, if you have any ideas that we should try, you can leave them in the comments and we are going to implement the most liked ones. So if you have other ideas, tips of investments, or tips for new video ideas, you can leave them in the comments, and the most liked comment is going to be actually become reality in the next video. So let's jump in the YouTube studio and see what happened on day 15. So our subscriber count is at 1,729, and let's jump into the statistics to see the details. So our view count is at 71,900, which is amazing. That's pretty much our best month ever. Our watch time hours are at around 1,000 watch time hours, and our subscriber count grew by 256 in the last 28 days. And our estimated revenue, as I mentioned before, is at $164 for these 2 weeks. Our top videos are the following. The how to add money to your Cash App account is still on the top with the most views in the last 28 days. The second one is how to sync your TikTok account to Facebook and contacts. The third one is how to find virtual backgrounds and settings in Zoom. Fourth one is how to get Matic Polygon on Trust Wallet. And the fifth one is how to use Revolut Junior. Now let's see how our views are growing in the last 48 hours. As you can see, these are our most popular videos in the last 48 hours. Some of these are shorts, which is not the best for monetization. Actually, the first one is a short, and the fourth one about Zoom is also a short, YouTube short, and I'm guessing that none of the others are shorts, which is good. And from these, mostly the financial topics are the best for monetization. They have the highest RPM. RPM means the amount of money that you receive per 1,000 views. So if your RPM is $5, that means that you receive $5 for every 1,000 views that you receive. So these are our last 60 minutes. These are the most popular videos. Some of them are similar, the same as the 48 hours. So now let's jump into the revenue statistics and see our revenue growth and to see what's happening. So as I mentioned, it's $164. Our RPM is $2.8, but that RPM means that the RPM for the whole month but we were not monetized the whole month, so we should switch to the last 7 days to see how much was our real RPM, because now it splits to 7 days, 7 actually monetized days. So as you can see, our actual RPM is $4.4. So yeah, in March we made $44. In April ongoing we made 119. These are some of our most profitable videos. The ad types are skippable video ads, which consists 72%, 72.8%. The second one is bumper ads, which are 17.9%. Display ads are 5.2%, and the non-skippable video ads are 4.2%. And let's check the geography by CPM. Which country generates the highest CPM, which means the highest rate of income per view? On the top we have Australia, the second one is United States, third one is Netherlands, fourth United Kingdom, and the fifth is Canada. So these are the most profitable countries. So if you want to earn a lot of money on YouTube, you should target these audiences mostly, but obviously some of these from the top of the list are also very profitable, so you can you can feel free and go for Germany as well. That's not bad. But if you scroll to the bottom of the list, you can find some of the countries with the lowest CPM. Yeah, so let's go back. And yeah, what else should I show you? That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you, and or at least interesting. If you want to follow my journey and see how I started and how my channel is going right now, just check out this channel. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to learn more about passive income ideas and building businesses online, just check out my playlist on the left to learn more. It is a free playlist on YouTube. You don't have to pay for any courses or anything. Just start this playlist and you can learn everything. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.